Okay, this video is how to install a belt and take one off. So first of all, put your Velcro in both sides and one in the middle. Make the hard part of the Velcro facing upwards and the soft part going downwards. Once you've done that, open up your gates so you can hold up the new filter belt. Put the filter belt on, make sure it's nice and secure. Lift the belt up so you've got the soft part on the belt now and you've got the hard bit on the straps. So one on the bottom and then fold it over the top, and again with the middle, and the same with the other side. Make sure it's nice and tight, it's not going to fall off. Now give it some slack on the belt and drive it backwards. Now you'll see a demonstration of the belt coming in. Do it all the way so you can see the two ends of the belts. Remove the cardboard roller and close up your gates. Now just start by removing the Velcro straps gently. You don't want to be pulling these or ripping these off. Once you've done that, connect at one end so it's nice and even on the side. You're not overlapping or anything like that. And just slowly work your way along the belt. There's another way you can do it, is you can just put both ends in so it both meets up with rubber parts on the side, so you can join them up and then join the middle last. We find this is the easiest way, is joining one side and working your way to the end. Make sure it's all sealed down, so run your hands along it, make sure it's all pressed down. So for removing, it's pretty much running it all in backwards. You're going to open your gates, put your cardboard roller on. Now carefully undo the belt here, just keep a finger on the hard part of the Velcro and just pull the soft part away. You just need to be gentle with this. It's easy to damage it if you're rough with it. So just pull the hard part of the Velcro on the belt downwards. Normally these rollers, the new ones, come with soft parts on the actual roller, so it's easier to stick on, so you don't need two people, but for this one it's a demonstration belt, so we'll use two people to wind it on. Make sure when you've wound it on that you've not folded over the end that you've put on. Just make sure it's nice and flat, it's not creased, and then just roll it on tight. Once you come to the end here, you just want to make sure that nothing's folded over, nothing's damaged on the belt, and store it in a box. And make sure your top part's facing the top, and you can store it away in a nice dry area away from any water, oil, anything like that, and it's ready for the next person to put on.